Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to put two videos in one screen on CapCut. The CapCut mobile editor is a lightweight mobile video editing app for Android and iOS. It lets you join two videos on the go and add a seamless transition to smoothen the switch from one to the next. Steps to combine two videos online on CapCut. Launch the CapCut mobile on your phone and select New Project. Then, select two videos from your local storage or top stock videos to leverage CapCut's extensive library. Press and go to the editing window. But first, tap on Collage at the bottom. After that, long press and drag a clip to adjust its position in the compilation. Navigate to the position on the timeline where the two videos merge. Tap the intersection point to launch the transition window. Tap on the ratio, and you can trim the video, modify the cover photo, and add effects, music, and filters. Customize the aspect ratio, speed, style, and more for a perfect merge video. Then, if you're happy, press the export icon in the top right corner. Then tap quality to adjust the resolution from 480p to 1080p. Frame rate up to 60 fps and code rate. Click done, then choose to share it on TikTok or save the video on your device. Once you save it to your phone, you can send it to other platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, and more. Tap done to close the sharing window. There are many other tools to link two videos together, but CapCut is ideal. This is because it allows you to do more than merge videos by providing features and resources to create cinematic clips. When you have the right tool, it only takes a split second to merge two videos. However, combining two videos into one is not enough. You need to add a transition effect to smoothen the switch and background music to set the mood for the next clip. Fortunately, CapCut lets you put two videos together and provides all the features and resources you need to fine-tune the final clip. This includes the basic, advanced, and AI editing features and stock audio and video materials. Moreover, CapCut is available for Mac and Windows and provides unmatched performance speed, increasing productivity. Business people, educators, social media creators, and anyone else can rely on it for professional-grade video production. And try CapCut today and merge videos like a pro. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.